it's Melissa of Butterfly Planner. Welcome back to my channel and to a brand new video and a brand new series. I'm so excited for this series and I'm so excited to be like face to face with the camera. So today we are going to start the new series called Planner 101. This is for people that have just like come into the planner community. It's very overwhelming. There's a lot of terminology that is within the planner community. In fact, when I was doing research for this and asking my friends and my Instagram followers for terms that they wanted to know about, I learned about a new one that I had never known about, and it was a hashtag. So we will get into that. This is just a small list of what I have. If you have any suggestions of words that you think most planners should know, let me know in the comments down below, and I may make a part 2. So let's start with the parts of like the different stickers. So I'm going to be showing you, cutting away and showing you as many of these as I can. So the first one is a washi, and this can actually mean two things. You can have what's called bottom washi, which is the washi that goes on the bottom of the planner and is a long, thick, or thin strip. You also have little, like, we call them washi strips, and those can be used and put in different spots to fill in white space or things like that. The reason it's called washi, even though it's a sticker, is because it is modeled after washi tape, which is found on a roll and is decorative tape that can be removed. When planning started out, most planner shops did their washi pages on removable mats so that it was removable just like washi tape was. But over the years, people were like, well, you've got glossy stickers and then the removable mat is a little duller and it just looks weird. So sticker makers started just making them all on the same paper, and whether they're removable or not, they are still called washi. Next, you have full boxes, which are your decorative boxes that are meant to cover an entire area. This is, a lot of these terminologies come from the Erin Condren planner because that was the planner up until the last couple years. But we will get into that in a different video. But a full box covers a specific area, and it's usually 1.5 by 1.9 inches. Then you have half and quarter size boxes, so it's literally half the size of a full box or a quarter size. And these are usually either square or rounded so that you can use them in your planner to fill in and make it look nice. Then you have checklists, and these can either be heart checklists, although like in my shop I've always done butterfly checklists, which are like on a flag, or you can have a full box checklist. These are also sometimes, instead of a checklist on the full box, for your sidebar area to the side of your planner, next to where you're planning, is called a sidebar. It's kind of like an overview. A lot of people use them, and sometimes people will put a weekly checklist there, or one that has like Monday through Sunday on it. Along the sidebar, you also have what people will call habit trackers. So it'll be a box with Monday through Sunday on it and a little spot to put what the habit is. Maybe it's running, drinking water, things like that, and you can just check it off as you go throughout the week instead of having to put it on every day in your planner. Then you have functional stickers, and these are just stickers that are like, they can be icons, they can be, sometimes character stickers are considered functional stickers, which character stickers I'll get to in a second. Anything that is not like decorative. So it's more like, it says functional. Functional could also, in some people's brains or in some people's, be checklists, icons, the half boxes, things that aren't necessarily just there for prettiness, but are there for a specific purpose and are functionally there. Then you have character stickers, and my personal favorite character is Tigero, obviously, but these are just cute little characters that shops like to have in their repertoire to kind of just make it a little more fun. Sweet Quiet Design has her little gang. Glam Planner has her. Teeny and Friends. I have Tigro and Friends. Almost every shop nowadays has a character sticker of some sort. You have script stickers. These can also fall into the functional, but these are just words so that you don't have to continually write that word. And a lot of times they are in really pretty fun fonts. And if you're like me and can't write all these awesome different fonts, then script stickers are great because it just adds a little more pizzazz to your planner and without a lot of work. And one of the newer things, and I say newer, there's so much stuff going on in the planner community all the time, but is foil stickers. And these are stickers that have foil over them. Sometimes it's in a kit and sometimes it's just on its own on a clear sticker or a matte sticker. But there's lots of different ones and they're so pretty, and they come in gold, rose gold, rainbow, hollow, all these different kinds, and it's just really fun. I'm just briefly going to talk about the different types of paper. I actually have a whole video that I did about 5 years ago that is still, I think, the best way to explain the different types of paper, and I will link that here and down below. And it's also in this playlist of for Planner 101. And there are matte stickers. So these are this is paper that's just completely matte like normal paper. But matte stickers can come in removable matte, so it doesn't stick to the paper. Like you can move it without any problem. There's also glossy stickers, which are probably one of the most common sticker out there, and they just, like they say, have a nice little gloss to them. Then you have vinyl paper, and this is also sometimes known as unicorn paper or premium matte paper. And this is just a vinyl that has a nice sheen to it and has a really bright, vibrant color to it. If you want to know more about the papers, go check out that other video. So some other terms, basic terms that I think most planners need to know is vertical planning versus horizontal planning. Vertical planning is like the Erin Condren, the Happy Planner, all those kinds, where you start at the top and your days go vertically from top to bottom. Horizontal planning is probably what most people are used to, and it's where your days go across. So that is the difference. Then you have a bujo. And I was like, what the heck is a bujo when it first came out? Or a boju. And that is just short for bullet journal, and it's just a type of planner. And I will get into that in another video. And then the one that I learned today was #BTP. And I was like, what the heck is that? And my friend told me, my friend Gwen, who's also on YouTube, she told me it's before the pen. And I was like, oh, I know what that means. So before the pen is like when you show your planner spread, which your planner spread is your whole view of your planner when it's completely done. But before the pen is that you take a picture of it before you write in it. So it's all crisp and clean and pretty, and then you can go in and fill it in, and that is after the pen. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you learned some stuff. If you have any words that you think should be in the next one, let me know in the comments below or DM me on Instagram, and I will add it to the list, and when I get enough, I will make a part two. My hands are being weird. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!